Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with another crafty haul. This one is from HSN. HSN was having free shipping. And thank you so much for you guys coming along and watching. I also wanted to thank Brenda. Oh my goodness, Brenda. If it wasn't for Brenda that mentioned the free shipping and mentioned the items, I would have been like, yeah, I'm not gonna look at it. So thank you again for letting me know, Brenda. And oh my goodness, I saw these and I was like, passing along. But then she mentioned other things, and I was like, well, you know what? Yeah, let me look at this. I did have a flat feet or flat something that I had been looking at for a few weeks, and they sold out on that one really fast anyway. So I did go into it. Was more of the clearance items, and when they have clearance items, yeah, they have clearance items, and you know, you want to take advantage of the free shipping, especially now, you guys. I don't know if you guys know, but shipping is increasing again. It seems like it's priority that's increasing, but you know how that goes. Priority starts increasing and everything else increases. So anyways, so she mentioned to me about oh my goodness, what is it? American Crafts, I think it's called. Um anyways, so it was 11 of these stickers that came in there. And I had seen them, but pictures are so small, you just not really think about it. So I had seen these and I was like, yeah, I saw it, but then she's like, look, like she kind of like, hey, like, you know, did you see the price and did you see what they are? And I was like, oh yeah, like, yeah, it's just you have to point out stuff to me. So oh my goodness, you guys, look at this is from, I mean, it says circles, cirque, but you know, it's Maggie Holmes, you guys. Like, if you think about it, oh my goodness. And these other ones, I'm not too sure what collections they come from, but Happy Life, I could, I think Jen Hanford, some of her stuff. I don't know if she, but I figured I could use those for this one right there. This one is a treat yourself. It's groovy style, so you guys, it's double-sided, you guys, or two-sided. Last I saw, they still had these on there. Price was like 11 something, 12 something, and well, right now with shipping, you know, but I did get a double one of this, so I was like, yay. So I got a double one. I was so excited when I saw it was a double, so yeah. So here is another one, and how cute is this? And I should have gotten two, but I just got one, I believe. Yeah, I only got one. I got received one. So yeah, but look at you guys. This is an amazing deal. Brenda, I don't know how she does it, but she always finds, she has a good eye on finding good deals. Good for her. I just look at stuff and just like either, I don't know, I'm just more asleep than awake. And so these are some other letters. And yeah, anyways, you guys, look at it. Oh my goodness. This is good vibes. I do have this collection. I still have not used it, so maybe I will use it with these. These are like, it's called Oldie, and just basically for baby congrats, you know, kisses, hugs, and then more words. So yeah, this was actually a good deal. You get 11 of these for, I think it might have been $12, but hey, it's almost like $1 each. So with free shipping, that was a good deal, you guys. Anyway, so she also mentioned another one, which was, let me find it over here. I put it over here. It's a Pebbles, and here it is. Oh my god, Fun in the Sun. This was another collection, and this one was, she was like, yeah, it was a good price. I'm like, yeah, I would have not paid regular price for this collection. Even though with the things that it came with, it was this one was between 11 and 12. Again, I don't remember prices right off the bat, so this is what it's Fun in the Sun. And let me see, let me show you, with 2 of each, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm not very good at flipping. So that's what it looks like. If you guys could see the other end over here, it's double-sided. It is a very cute collection, but like I said, I would have not bought it just at regular price. Not only did this come with itself, It already came with the stickers. It also came with the stickers. Oh my goodness. It came with washi tape. I think sometimes this is what kind of like I don't need it. Washi tape. It came up with this enamel dots or stickers. And you guys can see they have the stars, seashells, and dots. They came with all this ephemera, which is all this right here, you guys. It is a, what is it, 74 piece. So wow, that's a good deal. And there you guys go. And it also came with an additional ephemera, 65 pieces. And this is what they look like on the back. Excuse me. And then it came with these other alphabet puffy stickers. So amazing deal. It was an amazing deal. So thank you, Brenda, for bringing this to my attention, because I definitely would have not looked at them at all. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.